Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest requirements. To know how to fix or to solve Pinterest requirements, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Pinterest. Here in this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then we can go to your Wi-Fi and we click to turn off your Wi-Fi here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.